In this video, we're going to add or subtract algebraic fractions, where sometimes adding brackets will help. So let's look at this first pair here. So when you're adding and subtracting fractions, you must have a common denominator. And the common denominator for 3 and 2 is 6. So we're going to have my two fractions here, 6. Now I need to find the equivalent fractions of the ones above, where the denominator is 6. So I need to multiply top and bottom by 2 for that one, and multiply top and bottom by 3. So here we go. So I'm going to go 2, and then I'm going to add in my bracket x plus 2, because I'm multiplying everything on the top by 2. And likewise 3, and then I'm going to put bracket in, and then multiply everything by that. Right, now I have a common denominator. Let's write them over that common denominator, my 6. So I haven't expanded out my brackets yet. I'm going to wait until I have that common denominator. Okay, let's just move down a bit. So I've got a little bit more space. Right, now I need to expand my brackets. So 2x plus 4 from the first bracket, and then the second bracket is 9x minus 3, all over 6. And then I collect my like terms. So 2x plus 9x is 11x. 4 take away 3 is 1. And it's all over 6. So my answer is 11x plus 1 all over 6. Right, let's look at the second sum here. So you'll see it differs from the one before because the numerators now have the constant term in them. Still have to get my common denominator. And in this case, we're going to have the common denominator is just the two denominators multiplied together. Okay, this in all fractions is always a common denominator, just not always the lowest common denominator. Okay, so then now I need to work out what I need to multiply the tops by. Well, this one has now had a 2x plus 2 join in the bottom, so we're going to have to times the top by 2x plus 2. And this one over here, sort of conversely, will need the x minus 2 added to it. So again, when I add them, I'm going to put them in brackets. So that's the first one. It's a subtraction for take away x minus 2. Like that first example, now that I have my common denominator, let's write them all over the same denominator. Okay, I haven't expanded the brackets. I'm going to wait until I've brought them here. It reduces the chances of me making a mistake. Let's give myself some more space. Now I need to expand that top, so we're going to have 10x plus 5 subtract 4x. Now watch that you've got here, you've got a double negative, so negative 4 times negative 2 is plus 8 all over my denominator. I don't need to expand out my denominator, so I'm not going to. I'm going to just leave it like that. And then the last thing then is to collect my like terms on the top. So 10x take away 4x is 6x plus 5 add 8 is 13. So my answer here is 6x plus 13 in the numerator and x minus 2, 2x plus 2 in the denominator.